rotating around the front edge of the wall cloud there.
Okay, we are near Alanreed, Texas, is it?
Yes.
Looking at a tornado on the horizon there. Very impressive shear profile.
Are you kidding me? I'm almost out of tape. Dang it.
Oh, just dissipated. No, it's still there.
Dang it. Keep videoing. That's yours. Where's mine? Where's mine?
Man, it's moving fast. Look at that. Hauling ass.
It's moving and rotating with the meso.
Yeah, that's why it's hauling ass.
I'd make a report here, but
I'm sure that guy right beside us, who's a county guy, is reporting it. Oh, may have just... Well,
should we go north? We got the road.
where?
That road north Alanreed. That was our Alanreed.
Oh. It's just that we got a great view.
Well, we got a hill in the way.
We got a great view here. I mean, I hate to move when we finally have a view. I mean, we'll move over there eventually, but it's still well west of the road.
While I switch.
You're not missing anything. It just
a nice wall cloud, though.
It could produce a wedge in this environment.
Come on, open. Thank you.
It's a big, meaty wall cloud. Yeah, this is a sweet zone right here, Brad. We should have been here. We should just parked right here. It's still on the ground over there, I think.
Where I put it. Come on.
Yeah. Still got it. It may be invisible, but there's another vortex. Another vortex.
Vortex. Right next to the matrice. There's a helicopter.
The Channel 9?
Why would they be way out here?
They have viewers out here, don't you know?
They do.
I'm just joking. Man, look at that rotation. This is just a bad... Yeah, it's on the ground again.
Alright.
We got a bad view. I'm going to have to repossess... Oh, nice rope now. Look at that.
Where? Oh.
I'm going to have to turn the car to get a better view.
Just re-angle the car. That's fine.